The automatic charging reports are a great feature. You can set them up through the app, and especially for commercial use, you need something like that in various formats. And all the things you can read from it, how you can adjust it, we will take a look at that now. You can have charging reports automatically sent to you by email at the intervals you set, both as a PDF file and as a CSV file for further processing, such as in accounting or other financial analysis. Important here, your NRGkick must be connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. To configure automatic charging reports, click on the Advanced button located on the home page of our smartphone application. Within the function Charging Reports, you will now come across the button Configure Charging Reports. Now all you need to do is enter the reporting period and the email address. In order to make the processing as easy as possible, you have the option to assign a file name to these charging reports. This can be done by setting a file name prefix and entering a vehicle registration number in the custom field provided. So the charging report for this NRGkick is easily identifiable. By the way, in case there is no Wi-Fi reception for the charging reports, you also have the option to purchase an NRGkick with an integrated SIM unit. Having your own SIM card now ensures permanent online access, but it also comes with costs from the mobile service provider.